I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning, she's calling, I'm yawning, she's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning, she's calling, I'm...
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm kind of switching up a little. I'm actually going to be doing a get ready with me, just hair edition though, because my hair is looking a mess. This is not the wig that will be actually installing today. I know this wig is looking kind of crusty right now. This is just some old wig I had in my closet and I decided to try on so we can get the intro of this video out. Before we jump into this tutorial, I do want to mention that I am going to be doing a Thanksgiving giveaway on a unit, the same exact unit that I'll be installing today in this video. I'm giving a chance to one of my lovely supporters to win that same exact wig, the same texture, length, everything from Nabeauty here. They will be supplying you with the wig. So all you have to do is repost a picture that I will be posting on my Instagram. Furthermore, you have to be on Instagram. I highly suggest that you head over to my Instagram and follow all the rules. Will be listed under my post. I will post a picture for you guys with all the rules and all the details on how you can enter this giveaway. And this Thanksgiving giveaway is just to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys' support so much. And thank you guys for rocking with me. So let's jump into it. And also, before we get into it, I just want to mention that these lashes that I'm wearing are from the Stay Blowing Minds collection. I will leave it listed down below on, where you can purchase these lashes. Also, I do have a discount code so you can save you some coins. But I do believe these are sold out right now. So I have my wig here. I already went ahead and plucked her a little. But this is her wig. And I'm doing this in my bathroom today because I just wanted to change up the setting of my video. This is so funny, like I'm literally getting ready to get unready. So I'm gonna take this wig off. I don't recall where I even got this wig from. Ugh, I have a band on it, and because I had it like held down with the Kdbmode spray before, like it's always so tacky on my forehead area. Woo! A whole different person, sis. And now I'm just gonna take a rag. I probably shouldn't even be using white because I have makeup on my face, but can't find no makeup wipes right now. And I'm just gonna clean up all that extra residue from my forehead. I'm gonna try to make sure that it's fitting right before I even cut off all that extra lace. I just wanna make sure that I have like a good fit. As you guys can see here, I do need to go in and pluck some hair from this side over here because that hairline is looking too straight. Literally see the difference because this is the area that I actually did pluck, and that other side I did not pluck at all. So you can really tell the difference. Can y'all see that? Okay, so now I've gone ahead and cut off all that extra lace in the front. I'm just showing you guys that the lace does come, not the wig, not the lace. What am I saying? The wig does come with 4 clips inside. It comes with 3 on the top, 1 in the bottom, and also some adjustable straps. So if you've been keeping up with all my tutorials right now, you know that this bad boy right here is like my best friend. I use the Kdbmode blasting free spray to hold on majority of my units. It's just so much easier to install, and it's like not that much work. So with the glue now, I have to, it's just too much. So okay, so I'm just gonna like fold the lace back, and because I already went in and wiped all that extra residue from my forehead, now I can take my spray and I'm just gonna spray the entire perimeter of my frontal. Damn, my forehead looks big as shit. Pretty girls have the freaking highest, farthest forehead, 5 heads, like, and I have a gigantic forehead. Like, it's huge. Take my finger and just like dab it around so it doesn't like run down on my face itself. Like, see here how it's already running? So I just take my finger and stop all that. All that from dripping. Now I'm gonna take my wig and your blow dryer on cool settings, and I'm just gonna press this into it. This wig is bomb, honey. Look at the texture of this, and the density of this is really nice. I got the hair. The worst part I like to always wear lip gloss is that I get hair constantly stuck on my lips. It's so annoying. This hair is so pretty, you guys, and it's so soft and nice. And now my wig is actually laid. Now we gotta figure out what kind of part we're gonna do. I always have this problem whenever I put on new hair. That's like my biggest struggle. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my foundation and I'm just gonna tap a bit of this. I'm just gonna tap a bit of this into the laces. So. And now it's time to actually go in and swoop the baby hair. So as usual, you're gonna need your rat tail comb, a toothbrush, or you can actually get an actual edge control brush, and I'm gonna be using the Kdbmode styling gel to slick my edges. Okay, so today I'm going for some drastic baby hair, so I'm not gonna cut off too much. That should be good. And now I'm taking my gel. I'm not using a lot of this product because this does leave like a lot of residue on your unit, so I don't use a lot of it. I just use enough to where my I'm just using enough to where the hair on my unit is actually gonna like slick down. So like I said, today I'm going for some strong baby hairs. We're going all out. Okay, and now my baby hairs are laid. I don't know why, I'm just like feeling for like the whole extreme baby hairs today, but that's just how this unit is making me feel, and that's just the kind of vibe we're in right now. So would you guys actually believe me if I said I was really bad? Like, I'm terrible at parting hair. Like, I can never get a straight line. This is so bad. I guess that's straight enough. As usual, I'm gonna take my mousse and we're just gonna make that part in. And I'm just going back in with my face powder. I'm just taking my curling one and just flattening down here so it doesn't look bumpy. And I'm just going to go back and add back all my lip products because I literally felt like all my gloss came out in my hair. So as usual, I'm just lining my lips with some brown lip liner. And then I'm using this lip plumper from Sephora. This is by the Sephora collection, and this one is in Outrageous, and it's the number 2. And just putting it out there that this does things. So if you don't want to feel like your lips has that tingly sensation, I don't recommend using this. Strange reason, like I really love feeling that burning sensation on my lips. Like it's so weird. But yeah, I'm looking like a whole snack right now, a full course meal, fucking snack. But this hairstyle is literally so cute for if you're just going on a date night with your boo. If you have like a really classy event to go to, this would be like a really quick, easy install to do. I usually do this kind of installs when I'm like, if I have like a really formal event to go to and I want to be like really classy and really elegant looking, this is the kind of hair that I would usually wear. So yeah, this wig is really cute, and also the wig is so inexpensive, you guys. And for the texture, guys, and for the quality, like the hair is bomb. Like I highly recommend it. Yeah, the wig is flawless. This hair is so gorgeous, so soft and nice, you guys. Like I said, this hair is from Nabeauty. This is their Brazilian body wave lace wig. Guys, so I do want to mention that they do have their Black Friday sale going on right now, and they were actually nice enough to give me my own discount code. That way you guys can save some extra cash on top of their Black Friday sale. Not to mention that this wig on their website is only $161, and if you use my discount code, which is KaaylaDee, you will save an extra 10% on this hair. So thank you guys so much for the support, and like I said, all the details on this hair will be listed down below in the description box. Also, if you want the details on my lashes, I will leave that down below. I'll just leave you guys everything down below in the description box, so just check out the description box for any info that you need. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, so you would not miss any of my uploads. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Cause there's no, I'm jumping, I just been jumping, I just been